So the rice have been soaking for about 1 hour. So what I actually need from it is the water. You see the water? That's what I need from it. So I'm going to drain that water from the rice. That's exactly what I need. So I'm going to drain it into a bowl. I'm going to drain it into this large bowl. Okay? And that's what I'm going to be using for my beauty regimen. That's the water from the rice that have been soaking for over an hour. So this is what I'm going to be using, along with other ingredients to make a lotion, and also to make some other things that will be used to beautify your skin, and also that you can use to actually wash your hair. You know, maintain your hair, making your hair looking good and beautiful. So here we are. It's all ready. I just want to make sure that I take as much water out of it as possible. So there's still plenty of starch coming out from this rice. It's all ready. Okay, I'll give you more information as I use the rice water from this bowl. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. This is the rice. I can use it for something else, but this is what I'm going to be using, the water. Okay, I'll put the water, I'm going to portion the water into bottles and store it away that I can use for the next 1 week. I'm going to put some of it inside this teacup right here so that I can save it, so to be used. Though it's a teacup, but I'm still going to use it to store away my water, so I can use, so I don't have to soak another one next time. So the rest of it I'll put away. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share this video with